Hello, my name is Sky from Jaguar Crewe, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Jaguar. We are delighted to offer you this Jaguar F-Pace Chequered Flag Edition with a 2-litre diesel 180 PS engine, which looks great in its Eiger grey paintwork. Enhancing the dark, sleek and stylish exterior of this car, we have the black pack, which includes the window surrounds, grille with surround and side vents. We also have the roof rails and the privacy glass, adding to the look of the car as well as the security. Finishing off the exterior beautifully, we have the 20-inch gloss black alloys. Ensuring you have the best vision of the road at all times, we have the xenon headlights with LED signature and LED rear tail lamps. At the rear of the car is the impressive powered tailgate, opening up to give you the spacious boot, perfect for shopping or luggage. Moving on to the interior of the car, we have 3 full-size seats with a pull-down armrest in the middle with the built-in cup holders and ISOFIX points on the outside too. The eye-catching ebony and pimento leather seats with red contrast stitching finish off the car with a sleek and stylish look. Paired perfectly with the black roof lining and the door and dash inserts, we also have the fixed panoramic roof, brightening up the cabin of the car and helping you enjoy the summer months. Adding to the comfort and luxury of this Jaguar, the seats are 10-way electric and heated. On the dash we have the black leather wrapped steering wheel, which is also heated, helping you enjoy the cold winter mornings. We also have the paddle shift, improving the performance of every drive. And the steering wheel is also multi-function, helping you safely and easily control the interactive driver display screen, giving you easy access to everything you need whilst driving. For all of your entertainment needs, we have the 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which is connected to the Meridian sound system. This features the likes of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Bluetooth connectivity, so you can always listen to your favourite playlists. It also features DAB digital radio, satellite navigation for all of those unknown roads, the 3-way heated seats controls, and the rear view parking camera, helping you get out of all those uncomfortable parking situations. This car also benefits from dual climate controls, ensuring maximum comfort for you and your front seat passenger. We also have the stop-start button, the automatic gear controls, the cup holders which can be hidden when you're not using them, keeping your car looking sleek and stylish. And just underneath the armrest we have additional storage space as well as your USB ports. This car comes with a minimum of 1 year's manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. For more information on this vehicle or to book a test drive, please call us on 01270 864408 or inquire online now. Thank you.